What if I refuse to pay towing fees? What happens if you decide not to pay towing fees? This question can lead to some important consequences, especially when it comes to your auto insurance and collision claims. Let's break it down. First off, if you refuse to pay the towing fees, the towing company has the right to keep your vehicle until you settle the bill. This means your car could be stuck in storage, and you might end up facing extra daily storage charges. These fees can add up quickly, making your total amount owed much higher. The towing company usually has a legal claim on your vehicle for these fees, allowing them to hold onto it until you pay. Now, instead of outright refusing to pay, it might be better to dispute the fees if you think they are unfair or too high. Many places have a process for disputing towing charges. This often involves filing a complaint with a local board or authority that oversees towing practices. You usually need to file this dispute within a certain time frame, like 30 days after the towing incident. In your dispute, you would provide details about the towing company and why you believe the charges are unreasonable. The towing company then has to show that their fees are justified. From an auto insurance perspective, towing fees may be covered under your collision coverage or a roadside assistance add-on. If your insurance covers these fees, you may not have to pay out of pocket. However, your insurance company will likely want to confirm that the towing was necessary and reasonable. If there are disputes over the fees, it could complicate your insurance claims. If you choose not to pay the towing fees without disputing them, you might face legal action from the towing company. They could take you to small claims court to recover the money owed. Additionally, if you do not pay, it could affect your credit score if the towing company reports the debt. This could also impact your insurance premiums since some insurers consider credit history when assessing risk. If you disagree with the towing fees, here are some practical steps you can take. First, gather all relevant documents, including receipts and any communication with the towing company. Next, contact your insurance company to check if the towing fees are covered and inform them about the situation. Then, write a formal letter to the towing company explaining why you believe the fees are incorrect. If the issue remains unresolved, consider filing a complaint with the appropriate local authority. If necessary, you might also look into mediation or small claims court. In summary, refusing to pay towing fees can lead to your vehicle being held, accumulating extra charges, and potential legal issues. It is often better to dispute any questionable fees through the proper channels and involve your insurance company to ensure you are covered. Taking prompt and documented action can help protect your rights and financial interests.